Alright, so this is the King's Big Daddy Deluxe. Just seasoned this swag. Beautiful swag. Nice and big, lots of space. Unfortunately, it's got one fundamental flaw to it. And well, I'm not a professional when it comes to these sort of things. I just noticed something that I reckon a lot of people has seen, but there's also a lot of other guys videos that I watched on YouTube that has tried to sort this problem out. Yeah, so I'm going to show you what I did. We've got two of these swags. The problem with this swag is on the inside there, just on the middle. If you've got one of these swags, you know that the problem with it is the fact that there's quite a big sagging issue in the middle of the swag, so it takes away a lot of the space on the inside of the swag. And there's a lot of guys that has been looking for, or basically MacGyvering their own little plans to just get rid of that swag and that sag in the middle of the swag, and to great success. I see some of the guys are using hockey straps to get a bit more tension in the middle of the swag on the sides. And yeah, I've seen a few videos where some folks have put in another two of those beams, those middle tensioning beams, which also to great success. But the problem with that is the fact that there's basically two extra poles that you need to carry with you, and also, you know, if you had a few at night and you need to get out to go and make a wee, yeah, obviously could be a problem hitting your head on on the pole. So I'm going to show you what I did with the other swag, just to get rid of that sag in the middle. So this is the other one. So as you can see, I have kind of just got rid of the sag in the middle, and it really does free up a lot of the space in the swag. I'm going to show you now what I did. I'm going to first show you the problem with this swag is this window piece over here, this cover. A lot of people, what they do is they try and tension the sag out of the swag with that guide rope over there. The big issue with this cover over here is the fact that, in my opinion, it's a design flaw. Because if you can see now, the problem here is the fact that on the top, right over there, that's where all the tension is. And if you look at this, it basically pulls the tension downwards. It doesn't pull the tension outwards. Okay, so obviously you have to pull the tension outwards this way to get rid of the sag on the inside. But the problem here is this: even if you put more tension on it, this part over here is still very, very slack, even though the middle part, there's a lot of tension on it. So what basically happens is the fact that there's a lot of tension over there, but there's no tension at the bottom part of it. In my opinion, this window cover here should have gone down a little bit more. I reckon they should have used a little bit more material. I reckon down to about the second peg right over there. So that is my opinion, and they should have used a little bit more material here just to bring it out more, so that you can get, you know, the tension on the middle of the swag. So what I did here, I'm going to show you. I bought this at Tent World, just another double guy rope, and I don't tension the swag with the I just use that the small guy rope that comes with the swag. I just use that to obviously get the window cover away from the swag window at the bottom there. So I don't really use that to tension the swag at all. I use the double guy rope over here, and as you can see, I just threaded it through the third and the sixth one right on that side as well. Same thing. And I just used one peg over here. I used one of those storm pegs, just it's a little bit stronger. Same thing on the other side. Please excuse my hose pipe there. Let's just season these swags now. Same thing here. So as you can see, that's what it looks like with the guide ropes, the double guide ropes. And again, I don't use that small green guide rope over there to tension the swag. I just use it to open the window or to keep the cover away from the window. That's what it looks like with the double guide ropes. So that was what, about 10 bucks, because the ropes cost me about $5 each, and yeah, $1 for the peg, so that's $2, so 12 bucks. So it just cost me about 12 bucks to do this. This is what it looks like without it. Lots of sag, lots of sag. As you can see, that one looks good, ready for the Gold Coast. Yeah, and I mean, you can play around with the tensioning of it. If you want a little bit more tension at the bottom there, just move it down one of those loops, or if you want a little bit more tension at the top, just move it up a little bit more. But I reckon this is all right. I reckon that's okay. Let's have a look on the inside. Open it up quickly. Oh, it's nice and stiff. There's a lot of tension on that. Right. So obviously a little bit more space that you can work with. In my opinion, this is the cheapest. I'm just going to close it up so we can... Oh, the other problem that I had was I haven't pegged this down. I haven't pegged down the legs. So if you... I'm sorry, I'm working with one hand here now. So if you peg down the legs at the bottom, which I haven't done, and you put a little bit more tension on the guide ropes, that's what you got. Move this one out a bit. Put a bit more tension on this rope. Yeah, I reckon that's about it. So if the guys at Kings ever get to watch this video, which I doubt they will, please see if you can design this a little bit better. In my opinion, that is the problem this swag has. Too much tension at the top there. Not enough tension at the bottom. It needs a little bit more material because it needs to go lower. Right over here, where's my finger? Right over here, it needs a little bit more material from there up to about here and then up. So that if you want to put tension, if you just want to use the little green rope to put tension on it, you can. But yeah, it needs a lot more material. Not a lot, I just need some more material. Well, that's it. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick explanation of how I try and get rid of this sag. And I hope it could help somebody, anybody. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Day here. Yeah, we're close to we're in Southeast Queensland. Originally from South Africa. Love Australia. We've been here 3 years. Very blessed to have been given this opportunity to come and live in this beautiful country. Love it. Love the people. Still have the occasional braai. And by occasional braai, I mean twice a week. Wednesdays, Saturdays, maybe Fridays. Depends on the feeling, how it goes. But anyways, yeah. That's it, guys. So if you find any sort of assistance out of this method of mine, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, maybe I'll become a big YouTube star in the future. Thank you very much, guys. You guys have a Merry Christmas, and I'm out. Thanks.